Researchers from the Netherlands Institute for Neuroscience, NIN, have published a dataset that was recorded from the visual cortex of monkeys during the resting state. The dataset can be shared with other researchers for analysis, used as teaching material and/or serve as a template for future publications of large electrophysiology datasets. Therefore, less monkeys are needed for research. The dataset was collected at the NIN and prepared for publication by the NIN and collaborators at Juelich University and Aachen University, Germany. The data provide a picture of neuronal activity across large regions of the visual cortex at an unprecedented spatial and temporal resolution, with high-density receptive field coverage. In this paper, we provide the dataset, describe the raw and processed data formats and data acquisition methods, and indicate how the data can be used to yield new insights into the background activity that influences the processing of visual information in our brain, says Xing Chen, Senior Res. Most studies have either examined resting state activity throughout the brain using MRI scans, a non-invasive medical imaging technique, or by recording activity from a small number of implanted electrodes. The Vision Cognition Lab, led by Professor Peter Rolfsema, carried out recordings from over 1,000 chronically implanted electrodes in the visual cortex of non-human primates, yielding a resting state dataset with a high spatial temporal resolution, a very detailed and accurate observation. Part of our dataset has already been used successfully to investigate the neural correlates of brain activity obtained via non-invasive imaging, says Chen. Open Access. A data descriptor article accompanies the dataset. The article includes a thorough description of the scientific insights that could be obtained from the data formats, and methods of data acquisition and processing. Included are sections on data records, describing data usage and file formats, technical validation, to validate the data for usability and correctness, and code availability, describing the scripts used for data collection, processing, and analysis. This dataset allows other scientists to derive new fundamental neuroscientific insights into underlying activity that influences the processing of visual information in our brain, says Chen. The dataset has been published under an open access Creative Commons license for other researchers so that everyone can access the data. Make a difference. Sponsored opportunity story source. Materials provided by Netherlands Institute for Neuroscience, KNAW. Note: content may be edited for style and length. 2022, March 11. Open access dataset of macaque brain published. Science Daily. Retrieved March 11, 2022 from ift.tt/T4 Exgissen Netherlands Institute for Neuroscience, KNAW. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.